Class 12 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COSEM Manipur. Unit 3 Calculus. Topic Applications of Derivatives. Subtopic Increasing and Decreasing Functions. Exercise 6.2. Hꯧzik increasing amasung decreasing function singainasi increasing function karina decreasing function karina habedu nainaba matamda kon yamna maru ribasi function amagi graph akon hana tangkiba graph function singi graph singi para singadu matang asida su rakane ahanbada increasing function. A function f is an increasing function in the interval I. If x1 less than or equal to x2 implies f of x1 less than or equal to f of x2 for all x1, x2 belongs to I. F haiba function asi I hariba interval asida increasing oigani x1 na x2 dagi piklaba natraga manaraba functional value f of x1 na piaba f of x2 dagi natraga manaraba fawbada chumlabadi function f habasi I hariba interval asida increasing oigani. A function f is a strictly increasing function in the interval I if x1 less than x2 implies f of x1 less than f of x2 for all x1, x2 belongs to I. x1 na x2 dagi pikpani manaba sungyaw yawdi aduga functional value dasu f of x1 na f of x2 dagi pikpa equal to su yawdaba manabagi condition sunglai leitaba oirabadi function ado strictly increasing function kawi interval aduda. A derivable function f is increasing in the open interval I if f dash of x greater than 0 for all x belongs to I. F habasi derivable function ne mahak si open interval I da increasing oi haigani f dash of x na greater than 0 oirabadi matam punamakta x open interval I yawa x kudumaki f dash of x functional value do positive pu oirabadi matam punamakta madugi function ado increasing function haigani sina increasing function gi ahan bani sina definition chingduni akon basina derivative sizinaraga function nama open interval da increasing oi hainanaba criteria done ayekpa graph asidi ayekpa figure asidi yengsi horizontal line sina x axis ni sina y axis ni hojik sigi pointer sigi graph asi y equal to f of x haba function asigi ni hojik x below 1 na kakaliba awangba x below 2 da kakaliba awang ordinate x below 3 ki ordinate x below 4 ki ordinate singdi yengsi number origin dagi x1 bo ke rapasi ga origin dagi x2 ke rapaga x2 na chawre adu x1 x2 dagi pi awang basu achauba x2 ki functional value ordination na chawi adu ri sigi graph ache sun thu pa khal lai masi increasing kowi but x3 ga x4 ga ani se manade manadra basu makoi gi awang badi mane makoi gi corresponding ordination do mane manaraba phawbada function na do increasing kogani aduna hodi achauba value sigi function value na adum chawga leiba natraga value ani do manadraba phawbada value ani do manadraba manaraba suyai manadra function value singdo achauba na adum chawba manaraga na sunu manaba condition leirabadi function the increasing function kawi increasing function ki graph se asum loi na asum strictly sum wang khathi gani hauji f dash x sabado f dash x sabismana halibasi sigi tangent ase tangent sigi magi inclination badi sigi theta do angle theta do tan theta de sigi acute angle sigi increasing curve amagi any point is in tangent asina x axis ke positive direction ne acute angle se meba acute angle amagi tan theta de ne positive oeba sigi f dash x tan theta ne na khaloba tan theta do positive oigane ba amaram di acute angle amagi tan theta de positive ni haibadi increasing curve amagi any point is in ba tangent ki tangent sina mahaki inclination se matam punamakta acute angle siangani haibani sina taibani asumna increasing function strictly increasing function the increasing function in necessary conditions singse khange mathangda amuk decreasing yengse a function f is a decreasing function in the interval I if x1 less than or equal to x2 implies f of x1 greater than or equal to f of x2 for all x1 x2 belongs to I. Howzik f haiba function asi I haiba interval asi the decreasing function haigani x1 x2 digi piklaba natraga manaraba makoigi function value f of x1 f of x2 dagi sauraba natraga manarabadi hojikti decreasing the inequality ki sign si opposite direction में चटमिनरे opposite direction generally a function f is a strictly decreasing function in the interval I if x1 less than equal to x2 less than x2 implies f of x1 greater than f of x2 for all x1 x2 belongs to I. Strictly decreasing in matang equal to amatayaro hana decreasing function da yawa definition da or equal to amatayaro x1 x2 digi piklaba f of x1 f of x2 digi chawrabadi madugi function da interval adu leba point kudimakta mo phama sibu statement sibu chumlabadi strictly decreasing function kawe. A derivable function f is decreasing in the open interval I if f dash of x less than 0 for all x belongs to I. Have the first order derivative to interval open interval yawa value punamana sinjama matam punamakta negative oirabadi function f ado open interval adu da open interval adu the decreasing oi hagan derivable function abadi derivative putok tabaso putok yaba function hagan derivative putok tagadi f dash khana roidana एक पर पिक्चर असिदी यंगसी सिनी ग्राफ असे सुम लोलो सुंगम थगी होगी यंगसी x1 ga x2 ga x1 ga x2 ga ani si x1 na sawi pe x2 de gi bat function value ma to ka ko poni y coordinate si gi sawi x f of x1 na f of x2 gi maram awang ba si ga awang ba si ga y coordinate di ma ga y coordinate si gi point si ga y coordinate na sawi adon x1 x2 digi p adubu f of x1 f of x2 digi sawi adon decreasing curve amagidi criteria adu asugumba graph asin aduna azik f dash x study kari hari banu harakanda decreasing curve amagi any point the single tangent sinna mahaki inclination sigi angle the positive direction of x axis the line sigi anti-clockwise change the sigi angle se matam pumna makta obtuse have the 90 degree digi sawa 180 degree pipa angle oigani haiba obtuse oigani haiba adunani f dash x less than 0 is obtuse angle amagi then theta di 90 degree sawa angle amagi astar rule gi matugina second quadrant le angle amagi obtuse angle the negative is less than 0 hodidana aduna decreasing curve in sum ngam tharakani adu increasing curve sum 1 kakigani interval adu a function f is said to be monotonic function if it is either increasing or decreasing function in the interval. F have a function ama monotonic function haibadi ipiriba interval aduda increasing oibama natraga decreasing oibama animak subaya de animak ono ani visigi manungda ama khatamak sumgoda interval adugi part market sub interval amana increasing oraba interval market and sub interval amana among decreasing orabadi whole interval adu the function ado monotonic function oidi ama kakang interval increasing oigera decreasing or ani the manung ama kakam sumgoda ani subaya de adu function the monotonic function koi exercise 6.29 adasi karamba lesson increasing decreasing functions ki show that the function given by f of x equal to thrice x plus 17 is strictly increasing on a set of real numbers. Higi piriba function there set of real numbers say interval namon interval ni masu masig interval open interval ni sida leiba number pumna mark to marks strictly increasing oi haibani definition lagi akoi haji putoksi let x and y aside x1 x2 haibado hojik koina x and y haina lawrage let x and y belongs to are any two real numbers such that kanana pn siga x na x1 y dagi pl adugumba number is 3 na both side of purira positive number na inequality amada purira with inequality ki side change of the remains unchanged amu both side that same quantity khaido kana tra option mana inequality ki mai wanda pd plus 17 option later le sigi kana gi value na f of x ne right le sigi kana gi value na f of y ne assume na x na y gi pe aduga f of x ki function x na f of y gi adun pe aduga p de function ja strictly increasing strictly hierarchy equal to later so low yade tarakpada so equal to low yade thus f is strictly increasing function on a function f of x strictly increasing function on set of real numbers for assume number 2 is to f of x to e to the power twice x derivative under the derivative log of the let no torogo so f just x put to add the e to the power twice x e to the power twice x into twice x derivative to do 2 to numerical method learning by s ki value low matam puno e to the power twice x always positive or any 2 into a positive greater than 0 and a first order derivative for matam puno positive or the set of real numbers thus f is strictly increasing function on r less than 0 or magana period function is strictly decreasing higher. Next, number 3. So that the function given by f of x equal to sine x is strictly increasing on 0 pi by 2 0 to 90 bhakti sine x of a function is strictly increasing to strictly decreasing on pi by 2 to pi by strictly decreasing or neither increasing nor decreasing on 0 pi whole 0 pi interval the marks increasing to decreasing to even ahamba part to prove to see madugi the mark point f dash x la sine x ki derivative cos x ni 0 dagina pi acute angle amagi cos t matam punamukta positive negative 0 4 or x belongs to open interval 0 pi by 2 Sumabadi implies f is still increasing on 0 pi by 2 open interval 0 pi by 2 that is still increasing order graph asi the yang si graph asi y equal to sin x ki graph ni graph asi the 0 dagina pi 1 ki graph se adum kakalis kakali biru ani mana da number ani putting biru amata mana ro acho una du chaw ga chala change ko number b again f dash x to kare ko na cos x le pi by 2 dagina pi by 2 dagina pi ba ki marak tali pi by 2 dagina pi ba ki marak tali sidadi adum mari name dhara ani decrease torani cos x ki value se optimum se ko lamagi cos x negative kuni kuni less than 0 hari se sina kai pire f dash x na less than 0 or f is decreasing in pi by 2 pi by 2 is 5 of the function is decreasing x below chocolate function below click number c we see that f dash x greater than 0 in 0 open interval 0 pi by 2 and f dash x is less than 0 in pi by 2 open interval pi by 2 pi see condition is so f is neither increasing nor decreasing in 0 pi 0 되는 pi of the function lower increasing over OG, lower decreasing over OG, partly increasing, partly decreasing over Vanina, Machine function there, neither increasing nor decreasing in open interval 0 pi and the C. Question number 4. Find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x equal to twice x square minus thrice x is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Here f of x equal to twice x square minus thrice x. Derivative load over the x. Now we get 4x minus 3. 4 common log over the 4 times of x minus 3 by 4, which is greater than 0 if x is greater than 3 by 4. And whose f dash x which is less than 0 if x is less than 3 by 4. Therefore, f of x is strictly increasing in open interval 3 by 4 infinity and strictly decreasing in minus infinity 3 by 4. piriba function asigi strictly increasing strictly decreasing intervention puto haibani adudi hoji piriba function asigi derivative putoksi application of derivative harabani na derivative hekta lowrani koina piram function do natraga semgaliba function do si x cube derivative thrice x square ni adudi 2 over 6x assume derivative la si derivative la si 0 ni f dash x later she will factorize or the 6 comma log to crop factorize or the x minus 3x plus 2 later. Now f dash x equal to 0, f dash x is 0 to putting to the c 0 comma the x value the factor is 0 or implies x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 2. And the number line never said number line say when a kakal thora kind of a number anisina x na minus 2 over point ma x na 3 over ma segment to domain to kanarasi but that number anisina to 5 pick minus 2 ni the number anisina to pick minus 2 ni minus 2 pick x na minus 2 pick number line na minus 2 amasumaha minus 2 gi oid labor number single oiba matamda f dash s ki sign kari oiga degi heaveni f dash x2 music f dash x the x the minus 2 the people number pixel law minus 2 the people number suppose minus 10 law let's say minus 10 the gate minus 3 khaido kadi minus pange minus 10 the plus 2 option the minus pange minus ani puri na robadi positive like this just ke sign the plus ni adona positive minus positive tara bari greater than 0 f dash x positive or 0 de chara bari amoksu minus 2 amasung 3 gi marakta when x na minus 2 amasung 3 gi open intervention marakta label number or say minus 2 amasung 3 gi marakta label number ama haira u 0 0 f dash x the yaw x to 0 pisilo 0 pisilo badi minus 36 minus 0 pisilo di is 60 positive ni the 0 pisilo di sig factor sig sign minus ni the 0 pisilo di sig factor sig sign plus ni minus to odd numbers ka puri badi minus tare minus have a less than 0 bukowi and f dash x have a sign then negative or any amok x na 3 degi already x na 3 degi sabu matam dagi f dash x have a equal 3 sign plus ni 6 ke sign plus ni x na 3 degi sabu number suppose 100 degi 3 ka dokra positive hange the 100 already positive hange positive amount to positive and then f dash s ki value is greater than 0 positive or so minus I quote per yai kariba function amagi steadily increasing, steadily decreasing or intervention to haragadi. F thus f is steadily increasing in f dash x to positive over intervene to the positive over intervene the x minus 2 over the sumani irani minus 1 sumani infinity. Aduga x na greater than 3 over the 3 amasung plus infinity. The end hapera natraga union hapera kesukaidi. And ani suduang is steadily decreasing f dash s to negative or in baduguma s ke value dune adorabadi steadily increasing in minus 2 3 open interval minus 2 na 3 ki oida laigani up minus 2 ka 3 ka pipu duna oida achawna manga hojikti steadily increasing still decreasing increasing in the below the interventions open ngakani open sing to the fast bracket kuma siguma bracket sina na daga tha bracket ma mai leito ko na mahusilani close interval ma ta khanara. Next question number 5. Find the intervals in which the following functions are steadily increasing or decreasing. Steadily decreasing, increasing or by intervention to put to haibani. A ki function f final capsulas derivative block to OCC function factorized or oscillate. For f of x to be steadily increasing or steadily decreasing, f dash x to 0 ka man hangadabani. Piriba functions are steadily decreasing, steadily increasing whenever we the f dash x to 0 ka man halo. So the f dash x is 2 times of x plus 1 0 comma now the x value minus 1 pange number line is minus 1 have a point sina ani to to a minus 1 is proper interval number minus 1 is our interval number excluding minus 1 and when x is less than minus 1 f dash x is sign carry or a minus 1 the people number is minus 10 for the the minus 10 minus pange and minus the plus the minus star f dash x to less than 0 is hang up on plus target minus target numerical value do not is hang up on and when x is greater than minus 1 x to minus 1 is already suppose 0 x to 0 already positive target f dash x give value the positive point negative or gana adugumba intervene adugana decreasing positive over s की value increasing animal kumasi thus f is increasing in minus 1 plus infinity and stably decreasing in minus 1 into the real number 4 number 2 intervention even b su f of x log to asi minus 6 derivative log to kuma tamisi phange for now f dash x equal to 0 100 f dash x equal to 0 p having c s equal to minus 3 by 2 phange real number ama phange number line 1 ni thona khai to a minus 3 by 2 digi pick pa ama minus 3 by 2 digi chaw ama x na minus 3 by 2 digi pick agadi f dash x ki sign se positive oire minus 3 by 2 digi pick pa value agadi minus 100 minus 100 pisilo minus 100 pisilo minus 7 tarane positive tarane the greater than 0 later f dash s की value ना minus 3 by 2 देखी साउबा हाई बजी 0 लो the minus 6 to the minus less than 0 और thus f is strictly increasing in positive p by minus 3 by 2 and strictly decreasing in negative p by minus 3 by 2 assume the CBI नत्रगना सुमानी intervening form the सुमानी इतोसिया सुमानी इतोसिया C f of x derivative log to C f dash x amuk factorize log to C assume the factor and phange now f dash x equal to 0 gives C 0 ga mana lag x value ani phange number ani sina number line bu ka khan domain amuk thona thuare minus 2 gi pipa ma minus 2 gi pipa ma the f dash x ki sign kari ho ge minus 2 gi pipa number ni minus 100 and seva minus 100 minus 3 minus 100 minus c minus c minus c minus minus 1 to the minus to the f dash x less than 0 na khangare x na minus 2 amasung minus 1 gi marak level number sing habadi minus 2 ga minus 1 marak level number 6 da pisil habadi plus tagadra minus tagre x minus 1 dagi minus 2 dagi kitan sawa number minus 2 dagi kitan sawa plus lare adu c di minus 2 dagi kitan minus 2 1.9 and minus tare c minus lare c plus lare minus already positive tare f dash x to greater than 0 है असुन्ना x ना minus 1 लेकिन साव अगर दे minus 1 ना साव 0 लो फिर लो c plus ने minus तो और number times of product तो याव रहे तो वो negative less than 0 thus f of x is strictly increasing के तो मतलब f dash to greater than 0 is minus 2 minus 1 strictly increasing and strictly decreasing f dash x to negative x below the minus 2 small people sina kangarane amuk su minus 1 amuk small is abu sina kangarane suna di photoxi di su f dash x log to phange f dash x to 0 ra putting to raga s value solve to ra minus 9 by 2 phange minus 9 by 2 na number line ba ni thona khai to a minus 9 to the 9 by 2 di people open interval nama but madu da f dash x ki value kari hoigani minus no pisiladi minus 2 ga minus ka pisiladi plus ni plus 2 ga minus 9 ga karana chawo de ha bi to ai mo le mun da khalaba matung da minus the positive tar sumna minus 9 by 2 asina minus 9 to pisil ga calculation to ma ta the positive tar minus 9 by 2 is 0 lo ba x is 0 minus 9 to the less than 0 ni na and thus f is still increasing in positive p minus 9 by 2 equipment and that is still decreasing in f dash is for negative p to the minus 9 by 2 degi saw matanda sumna e super policy punna cube object kamalo to kra manong da base ri to purina ro base ni expand to square le the sig derivative t ma sig derivative t log to a do manong gi base na purina the sig from to mo kamalo to factorize story now f dash x to 0 ka mana hala di sig factor au 0 ka mana hala ka s ki value minus 1 1 3 adu to main mari thunga khai de minus 1 to ma minus 1 1 ga ma 1 ga 3 ga ma 3 chaw ma to main singa du da f dash s ki sign kari hogi x na minus 1 minus 100 ne karo minus that is minus tare minus in the square ka me kai na kana de minus to minus tare less than 0 so no minus 1 am so 1 ga ma kale 0 le 0 pisilo minus le 0 pisilo plus le sidilo na plus 1 0 pisilo minus less than 0 le asumna 1 am so 3 ga ma kale 2 lo 2 lo plus 2 lo plus 2 lo plus the f dash x to greater than 0 or x na 3 is out of the suppose 100 or the minus 100 or the positive or f dash x greater than 0 or therefore f of x is increasing in positive or increasing or 1 the 3 positive or x na 3 is over and decreasing f is decreasing in the negative PBD minus 1 negative ama x na minus 1 so 1 or ama asumna intervention so that y equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x divided by 2 plus x greater than minus 1 is an increasing function of x throughout its domain. She period function as x na minus 1 is our market domain is you the mother marks increasing or you can have any pyramid function y gamana y c am open derivative of the f gamana f dash x or dy by df dy by dx with f dash x and a correct log of something is 1 by of something into something 1 plus s ki x ki derivative 0 into 1 to the minus 2 like percent of 2 functions x divided by 2 plus s ki percent of follow makagi function the square makagi function na mataka thamo into x to 1 minus mataki function x length na thamo into 2 plus s ki derivative 0 plus 1 simplify to raga iko na masif hangne jiga musu simplify to masif hangne f dash x since x is greater than minus 1 since x is greater than minus 1 x is minus 1 like this our mean x plus 1 no c minus 1 dina let thanga receive hange x plus 1 to greater than 0 x plus 1 greater than 0 re 2 plus x square is positive or x square is positive or positive sin gidi if the x is positive or also x square and x2 plus x whole square is positive. Therefore, f dash x is greater than 0 when x is greater than minus 1 or increasing or hence f of x is increasing throughout its domain over a positive or not even power of x1 plus x to high condition of Pandaraga mark the positive we can have positive 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 thing divide multiplication positive and f dash x greater than 0 or a where x greater than minus 1 over the Pandara increasing throughout it its domain over. Find the values of x for which this is an increasing function. Period function is increasing one of the s evolution before to have any. Logic permanent function is for the expand of for the assumed function. Derivative of cy the f of x follows the f of x the same. F dash x to get 4x cubed minus 3 from the 12x squared plus ix later. CMO factorize to C factorize to factor of f dash x 0 का मान है लगा ठीक है factors में 0 का मान लगा x value तो ओम फंगे 0 1 2 number ओम सिनारी number line लो काकन मरी तो ना factor में मरी तो ना फाइव when x is less than 0 x no less than 0 उसमें तो 4 की साइड में प्लस ने 0 रिपीट पे नेगेटिव सी नेगेटिव साइन और नहीं नेगेटिव पे सम ऑफ नेगेटिव ले रहे नेगेटिव पे नेगेटिव ले रहे नेगेटिव से और नंबर फोर ले रहे माइनस डाले जो नहीं लेस देन 0 वाली सो 0 का 1 नंबर तो ले नंबर से वगैरह बजे f dash x dash सी 4 di positive ले रहे 0 di सॉल्व positive ले रहे 0 di सॉल्व वाली पे नंबर लगी 2 खाए तो फिर माइनस ले रहे 0 di सॉल्व वाली पे नंबर उधर तारा बजे सी माइनस ले रहे minus 2 even number times put in the product of these 3 4 factors the positive one then if the answer is greater than 0 asuna 1 and 2 gi marka le na the 4 dollars plus le 1 is our number the positive ni 1 is our number 2 the people number 2 ka the minus 1 1 is our 2 the people number the 1 ka the positive 1 the negative number times ya less than 0 if there's x so less than 0 so x no 2 is already if there's a positive one positive conclusion f is increasing in the interval increasing with the sig positive in the interval and sig 0 1 x greater than 2 amadu consume in or the ire increasing all have an increasing control number 9 prove that this function is an increasing function of theta in closed interval 0 pi by 2 0 closed interval is increasing I am a open interval we can have look closed interval or square of 100 pyramid of function C f का y जी f का मान है जी f का मान है f dash x को तो क्वेश्चन और टू फंक्शंस की डेरिवेटिव को तो थीटा और y ने सिंपलीफाई तो और असुम मथा सिंपलीफाई तो बना लास्ट सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में फंक्शन f dash x when a theta is between 0 to pi by 2 acute angle or the f dash x cos of n equal only positive or cos of n equal only positive so 1 negative but 1 was only to number the positive prisoner of positive direct f dash x is positive direct. Therefore f of x is in 0 pi into a rate internationally increasing order. Question number 10. Prove that the logarithmic function is strictly increasing on 0 infinity. Open interval asida logarithmic function is strictly increasing or praman tau. Here f of x equal to log x. F dash x is 1 by x ni. When x belongs to 0 to infinity, f dash x is always greater than 0. Therefore, f of x is strictly increasing in the interval 0 infinity. अयेक picture asida log x की maha की domain di 0 amasu infinity ni asum wang khat ki gani x ki value chawkhat laga function value asum chawkhat lakani. Prove that the function f given by f of x equal to x square minus x plus 1 is neither strictly increasing nor strictly decreasing on minus 1 1. Minus 1 1 intervention function strictly increasing or they strictly decreasing or they will have f dash x equal to twice x minus 1. F dash x equal to 0 man x will half number line makaka nani domain nani to half take half is over. If we have two intervals minus 1 mana kana was minus 1 1 and minus 1 and a half open interval half 1 open interval the graph see when x is minus 1 or half interval whatever the minus 1 is our half equal number whatever the f dash s ki sign f dash s ki sign must over negative again. And when x is belongs to open interval half 1 letter with the f dash x ki sign must be positive again. Therefore, f is strictly decreasing in minus 1 half and strictly increasing in half 1. Hence, f is neither strictly increasing nor strictly decreasing on minus 1 1. From the interval interval strictly increasing to other strictly decreasing part machine and go among strictly decreasing among strictly increasing or whole interval assidadi paaba matamda strictly increasing to other strictly decreasing to other graph asidi yemsini half the given half the kumare 1 minus 1 so 1 is a fully kumbra with the kakapra with the machet kakapra kumara. We saw the following functions are strictly decreasing on 0 pi by 2. 0 pi by 2 the manung the makha the piriba functions in the karamana strictly decreasing on the gay hungary. F of x the cos x ni cos x have hamaki case the cos x is f dash x or minus sin x. 0 to pi acute angle number the x na acute angle or the sine of acute angle the positive minus with minus ni but less than 0 for f dash x to less than 0 or less than 0 or the demand is still decreasing however the or therefore f is still decreasing in 0 pi by 2 or b the mukhanasi f of x equals twice x ni derivative or the f dash x equal to minus 2 sine twice x less masikara acute angle among sine acute angle among sine the sound of the pi by 2 and a color pi by 2 multiplied 19 and 19 nataba anigi twice the 1 90 degree 180 pi angle all sine 10 cos की rule matun sine d positive और minus 2 na positive 2 minus आरे बाद उन्हें less than 0 और सी f dash x को less than 0 फिर दी decreasing और therefore f of x is still decreasing in 0 pi by 2 question number c function and c और गदी ahum सुबदा f of x दोनों cos thrice x और my derivative minus 3 sin thrice x और अदुदे होगी f dash x को 0 का मान हलो sin thrice x को 0 का मान हलो thrice x to 0 pi tharani mayam le adu ani sikta local x ki value du 0 na to pi by 3 maram adon x to pi by 3 or x pi by 3 or pi by 3 or pi by 3 or kidore when x is between 0 to pi by 3 60 ki maram tale the f dash x to less than 0 or maram the sine of 30 60 to the power to the positive minus 30 minus 10 less than 0 when 60 amazing 90 की मदद से ले रहा f dash x को greater than 0 है. Therefore, f is strictly decreasing in 0 pi by 3 and strictly decreasing in pi by 3 pi by 2 है. Number D, f of x to 10x ni f dash x to sec square x or when x is 0 pi by 2 or f dash x to greater than 0. Therefore, fx is strictly increasing in 0 pi by 2 or strictly increasing value. On which of the following intervals is the function f given by f of x equal to x to the power 100 plus sin x minus 1 strictly decreasing? Makara period intervention asida f have a function is strictly decreasing over hangari. Here f of x equal to x to the power 100 plus sin x minus 1. Derivative over the hangari. Ahamba cases the A the 0 pi by 0 1 inter open interval the canal have any to the 0 1 interval positive number sini one paper positive number ni to the positive number another power 99 card positive or greater than 0 to force s to the guma amagi positive guma ki 0 positive or positive since generally positive here for f dash x to greater than 0 positive or in the marks is still increasing or Mana the strictly decreasing feet of B game of Canada C if the load of 90 taken of 180 of Markel had 90 taken 180 of Mark Angle Magi cost minus me. I do one by minus the Magi or 40 minus the minus so the minus Masama Absolute minus Masama Absolute minus star a positive a minus tarifano positive pi by 2 so pi Markel Hibernate. I do one Amagi positive number Amagi power 99 positive wala adugumba ama angle amagi cos t wala ki angle amagi cos t minus masama silova se positive asoba amada positive asoba amada minus masama to positive tari f dash s greater than 0 and cd stability increasing wow from it. Therefore f of x is still increasing in pi by 2 pi wala c da mukhana c 0 de pi by 2 da mukhana wala 0 to pi by to the f dash x the acute angle amagi positive positive adugumba positive number amagi power 19 car positive clearly positive or over the f dash x is still increasing in 0 pi by 2 or the one is still decreasing or karamba already have an increase is still increasing after over thus the answer is the yes none of this amateur somewhere. Number 14. Find the least value of a such that f given by f of x equal to x square plus ax plus 1 is strictly increasing on 1 2 open interval 1 to the still increasing when we have a quite pick value to 2 hyphen. Here f of x is f dash x to twice x plus a later. X की value तो 1 अमसुंग 2 की मरक तला हुआ है बने अदुदी लिपसी 2x plus a से फाउंड ना बना सीमा या इसी दा 2 ना both side of you get this a ना both टांग को लोग तो you get this तो अदुबो f of x is still increasing on 0 1 0 1 interval is still increasing और बने ना महा की derivative high बदी twice x plus a से she is still increasing in this open interval और हम यहाँ the twice x plus a p manada 2 plus a z greater than equal to 0 greater than 0 or 0 this our number c0 this our c0 this our number 0 command fighting people 0 or power with that 0 or 0 our number cd f dash x to greater than 0 but she 2 plus a negative or negative is our number negative with share mark positive or other mark positive show it on another mark fighting people value share my particular value is 0 greater than or equal to 0 and but it's altered plus minus 2 later. Therefore 2 plus a equal to 0 gives a equal to minus 2 a equal to minus 2 is 0 tani haragadi 2 plus a is 0 man haragadi a value minus 2 or thus the least value of a is minus 2 a particular value is minus 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 minus half 0 any order which is still increasing again minus 2 the happy will be still decreasing or not increasing or let I be an interval disjoint from minus 1 1 I have say any interval disjoint from minus 1 1 minus 1 also 1 not about open interval not minus 1 pipa 1 is of interval Prove that the function f given by f of x with x plus 1 by x is still increasing on I equal to I mean. Derivative of the x now or sig minus 1 1 have open interval sig yaw gaba have yaw gaba hairagati x to minus 1 again any x to 1 against saurani the squaring car with the x square of 1 against saurani x with the x square of x to 1 is x to 1 is saurani squaring car the x to minus 1 greater than 0 or greater than 0 or the amatak x to minus 1 to greater than 0 x square is always greater than 0 the positive or if there's x is positive or implies f of x is still increasing on I or is still increasing on I or Rabasi Yarisini one with Zagada, function of secret, pick a kitang is uncle Kilomatamda, my function the relation of calculation, man of quite name. If you sing him at Malaysia, Maniswang Zagada, then pick a work, then pick a given at the graph, second, pick in the graph below, why corners of Kuma, the white below picture. Negative the Kumakuma, my village picture, see the Kasi, see and see the Gasini, Rabasi. Sorry, see him, Matusani, but see and see the Gasini. When it is going to be minus 1 of so not minus 1 pick power 1 x over see the gas in the Imari increasing one. See the gas is smart. Some Kumu Kumura ask the Luda to pick Ragani, why you lose from the Kumura and some sour and numerically, but the Magi the Luda pick Karani. Grab number, see Pitang explain to everyone. Prove that the function f given by f of x equal to log of sine x is still increasing on 0 by 2 and still decreasing on pi by 2 pi. F x is derivative of c for x fange. 0 pi by 2 acute angle magi quote positive and f dash x greater than 0 or and when x obtains angle magi quote negative and f dash x is less than 0 or therefore f is still increasing on 0 open interval 0 pi by 2 and still decreasing on open interval pi by 2 pi. So when you prove that the function f given by f of x equal to log of cos x is still decreasing on 0 pi by 2 and still increasing on pi by 2 pi. Log x की log cos x की derivative log the minus 10x फंगे obtuse angle amagi 0 pi by 2 obtuse angle sida 10x the positive minus the puri minus fang less than 0 asunna obtuse angle amagi 10 the positive in one negative the minus the positive greater than 0 therefore f is strictly decreasing on 0 pi by 2 0 pi by 2 and strictly increasing on pi by 2 pi or prove that the function given by this is strictly is increasing on r or have a period function the derivative of a characterized or f when per phase square cma square का बता दे x alone will value so always greater than equal to 0 or therefore hence f is increasing on r or 20 the interval in which this is increasing is the interval maka the period intervention on the period of function increasing of interval to put to heaven. Derivative dy by dx first function and sense e to the power minus x to minus e to the power x plus second function e to the minus x and sense into x by derivative twice x. Factorize the over the assumed function. C value set plus minus 4 from left c. dy by dx to 0 का मान हल अब the c factor of c पर 0 नहीं अब the x की value तो 0 अब मैं x की value 2 मैं e to the power minus x की cannot be never 0 x की value अनी फंगे the number line को तो मैं अनी थोड़ा छुपा रहे x की value 0 repeat पर अम्मा 0 the x की value 0 repeat the 0 repeat minus नहीं तो बता दी c की value dx की side से positive और therefore y is decreasing when x is less than 0. When x is lying between 0 and 2, 0 and 2 molecular dy by dx की value तो positive हो रहा है. Therefore y is increasing in the open interval 0, like 1, 2 power. When x is greater than 2 to this over number or x not to this over number or the minus star and dy by dx की value is negative or decreasing or y is decreasing in x greater than 2. Option B is